Naranasan ng Canadian singer na si Shawn Mendes na it's more fun in the Philippines sa kanyang paglilibot sa bansa. Napabilib naman si Shawn sa tawag ng tanghalan finalist na gumawa ng cover version ng kanyang kanta. Nagpapatrol, MJ Felipe.
Water adventure, buko juice at bonding with the kids. Sinamantala ng Canadian singer na si Shawn Mendes ang ilang araw niya sa bansa para pumunta sa Tagaytay.
Oh, it's summer right now. That's why it's so deathly hot outside.
Kasabay ng hot summer season, ang mainit na suporta ng kanyang Pinoy fans.
They're here because they've been tweeting at me for years now, so I knew I had to come and see them.
I know I can treat you better. Sa social media, nagsimula ang karera ni Shawn. YouTube cover versions ang pinagkakaabalahan niya noon hanggang sa mapansin ng isang record label. Gaya ni Shawn, cover versions lang din ang ginagawa noon ng tawag ng tanghalan finalist na si Sam Mangubat, na may version din ng Mercy ni Shawn. Please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart. And even though you don't mean to hurt me, you keep tearing me apart.
Sounds great. This kid's killing it. It's one of the best covers I've ever seen. It's great. It's so cool because that's how I started.
Payo ni Shawn kay Sam,
I guess I just say keep making covers and stay original.
MJ Felipe, ABS-CBN News.